이야기는 무언가로 인해 당황하며 분주히 대비책을 마련하려는 연구원들의 모습으로 시작합니다.
It's red stage now. Total loss of direction.
I knew this would happen. This thing wasn't made to withstand the duration.
I don't think that really matters right now.
Well, it will when the big boys find out. Dr. Forsythe.
What seems to be the problem?
We've lost all control over Centaur 1.
Are you telling me it's going to crash?
Yes, sir. Should impact in approximately 2 hours.
켄타우로스 1호라는 것이 정확히 무엇인지는 모르겠지만 이것이 추락한다면 지구에 있는 사람들에게도 영향이 있을 것 같았죠.
We were assured nothing like this could possibly happen.
The facts are simple. Dr. Michelson.
You know we've been developing something in outer space, a new form of biological warfare.
연구원들은 몰래 비밀병기를 만들고 있는 듯했고 이것이 지구에 떨어지면서 공경을 빚게 된 것 같았습니다.
And it was supposed to stay in outer space, Forsythe, not come crashing down into God knows what or where.
We're doing everything in our power to locate the exact impact.
We are of the opinion that it will not survive the crash.
Let's hope so.
And what if you're wrong?
We are of the opinion that if it does survive a crash, we'll be able to shut it down. Don't worry.
이 사실을 알고서 그러는 것인지 갑자기 흠칫 놀란 여성은 급하게 경찰서로 전화를 걸었죠.
Metro Division Front Desk, Sergeant Yamada here. Can I help you?
Yes. Is there a Detective McLemore on duty?
Yes, ma'am.
May I speak to him?
Sorry, he's not here right now. Can I take a message?
그녀가 애타게 찾고 있는 맥클레모어 형사는 범인을 잡기 위해서 밤늦게까지 잠복하고 있는 듯했습니다.
Well, partner, scum always rises. Wake up. Get here.
Hold it, police!
적들과의 교정 과정에서 부상을 입긴 했으나 다잡은 먹잇감을 허망하게 놓칠 수는 없었죠. 그들이 탑승한 차량이 폭발하면서 일대가 불바다가 되었으며 범인들 역시 산채로 체포할 수는 없었습니다.
Shit, man, it's just a kid.
What's in the bag?
Trick or fucking treat.
작전을 성공적으로 수행하지는 못한 것이었기에 어찌됐든 상관에게 꾸중을 들어야만 했죠.
Looks like you two have been having an interesting evening. What happened here?
Self-defense.
A body over there. Does it belong to one of these suspects?
Quite possibly.
I'd like to see this in written format within a couple of hours. Hand them over.
Hey, McLemore.
Yeah.
Some weird lady called for you at the station tonight. She said it was important.
What you want?
She said somebody was going to die tonight.
And she was right.
이번의 사고를 예측했다는 점에서 아무래도 그녀에게는 미래를 예지하는 특별한 능력이 있는 듯했습니다.
Look!
Did you see that?
그때 하늘에서 갑자기 의문의 무언가가 떨어지기 시작했으며 주위에 있던 사람들은 눈이 휘둥그레졌죠.
My men were not flying this. It wouldn't have happened if they were. You think we were damn flying it? You think we were flying it? That's what you were supposed to be doing.
Crashed, sir. It's crashed. And it's alive.
Master have done it again. Give me that.
연구진들이 당황하는 것을 보면 역시나 그 정체는 오랫동안 개발해왔던 생물병기인 것 같았습니다.
Great. Now that you've got a souvenir, let's get out of here.
Someone's approaching the object, Doctor. What should I do?
Is that one person?
No, it looks like two.
문제는 사람들의 접촉으로 인해서 잠들어 있던 괴생명체가 깨어나기 시작했다는 것이었죠.
But approaching an active level rapidly.
Well, stop it.
I can't. Well, you're damn well better.
심지어 그 괴물은 마구잡이로 촉수를 내뿜더니 인접한 사람들을 무자비하게 죽여버렸습니다.
That's it.
How's that report coming along, McLemore?
끔찍한 사태를 뒤로하고서 밤늦게까지 잠복을 수행했던 맥클레모어는 졸린 눈을 부비는 중이었죠.
Can I get you something? A cup of coffee, maybe?
I'm sorry to disturb you.
I'm sorry. Rocky?
No, actually, I put in 2 years in Atlanta before this.
Oh, welcome aboard, Miss.
Sanborn, Carla Sanborn. I'm sorry all about you, Detective McLemore.
Well, then, you must work for the alimony division.
Always been interested in legends, especially when they're still alive.
그녀의 말에 따르면 그는 겉보기와 달리 뛰어난 형사인 듯했고 경찰들 내에서도 꽤나 유명해 보였습니다.
Everybody's talking about you.
Oh, yeah? What do they say?
Oh, just that you're tough and gutsy and very, very good.
How about dinner tomorrow night? My place. You can forget all that other stuff, but I am a great chef.
Really?
We got a double homicide off Innsmouth Road. I want you both out there, have a look before the lab boys move in and pick the place clean.
사고를 치고 다님에도 계속해서 그에게 사건을 맡기는 것을 보면 능력 자체가 훌륭하다는 것을 알 수 있었죠.
Hey, Doc. Ian, wow. The party is complete.
What the hell are you two doing here? Captain sent us out to keep an eye on you.
Yeah, he didn't want you nibbling on the victims. Yes.
An old drunk reported a crash here a few hours ago. I'll give you a tour.
What do you got, Nate?
This is the weirdest shit I've ever seen. As light as a feather, but we can't put a scratch in this with any of our tools. I may have to bring in the big guys.
Well, it's probably one of their aircraft that crashed.
다만 인간들과 관련한 사건만 조사하던 그였기에 이번 사태에 대해서는 명확한 근거를 찾기가 힘들었습니다.
What is that? I wish I knew. Anybody got any idea what went down here?
That's the $50,000 question.
This is some double homicide. McLemore, I'd like to see you and Maris in my office by noon tomorrow.
Come here. Just, what is this?
범죄라기에는 마땅한 범인을 찾기도 힘들었으며 괴이한 돌이 그곳에 자리하고 있었으니 혼란스러울 따름이었죠.
Simple. The Rock did it. Case closed.
Throw this rock in jail.
Warrant a thorough investigation.
Well, good. Let us know how it comes out.
We're splitting.
Kid, we ought to butt out, Dad.
Let's take him home. Do a little investigating on our own, huh?
Someone is moving the project, sir.
Damn it. It's already killed 2 people.
It's back in the dormant mode.
연구진들은 이 광경을 지켜보면서 당황을 금치 못했고 이를 위험하다고 판단한 사령관은 파괴할 것을 지시합니다.
I'm giving you your orders, Forsyth.
Perhaps it's best.
Shut up, Michelson. Bid on your own head. But it'll cost the program millions of dollars.
Save it for the inquest. Just you push the buttons.
Okay, I'll do it. Just leave me alone here, okay?
Okay.
다만 이를 만들어내기 위해 평생을 바쳤던 포사이스 박사는 그의 뜻대로 움직일 생각이 전혀 없었죠. 이런 갈등이 지속됨에 따라 명확한 해결책을 내놓지 못했기에 애꿎은 희생자만 발생할 뿐이었습니다.
Rogers is dead.
He was literally torn apart right under our very noses.
Wait a minute, the lab guy?
And guess what else?
Shocked me.
The big brown thing is gone.
All right, I'll be right there.
현장 곳곳에는 이를 분석하던 연구원의 피가 낭자해 있을 정도로 끔찍한 광경이 펼쳐져 있었죠.
No one entered the building during his shift.
Anything else?
Rogers apparently was recording his findings. All we got was unintelligible garbage. The eyewitness is about to be released. I'd like for you two to have a talk with him.
Cigarette?
목격자를 불러서 자세한 상황을 조사해보지만 그들의 입장에서는 도무지 신빙성이 없는 얘기밖에 없었습니다.
A giant Cadillac hubcap on fire. Bright light. I swear it.
Come on, Betty. Let's go. If anything real comes to mind, you let us know, huh?
심지어 괴생명체는 자신을 발견한 모든 이들을 살려두지 않겠다는 것처럼 노인까지 잔인하게 죽여버렸죠. 한편 경험이 풍부했던 맥클레모어는 사건 조사 과정에서 실마리가 잡히지 않자 무언가 이질감을 느끼기 시작했습니다.
Remember the other night that weird thing crashed out there?
Yeah.
Okay, you got two kids torn apart. Some bum says he sees a flying saucer. Rogers gets killed by some powerful son of a bitch right here in our own station.
Look, why don't we just turn in our findings and get the hell home? I mean, Robertson is dying to bust our asses as it is. Hey, come on, let's get a guy a break, huh?
동료인 제리가 의아함을 품긴 했지만 그는 형사로서의 감이 발동하며 아예 주목해야 할 부분을 바꾸기로 결정하죠.
See if it matches up with those prints of those two kids that were killed last night on Innsmouth Road, would you?
Yes, sir. Your presence is requested in Captain Robertson's office.
다만 반장이었던 로버트스는 이 일이 세간에 퍼지기를 원하지 않았던 것인지 사건을 그저 사고로 종결시키려 했습니다.
Keep him to yourself. It's been ruled an accident.
An accident? By whom?
You're off the case.
Off the case?
Your hearing is improving.
What the hell are you gonna do about it?
There goes your hearing problem again. Don't force me to make your temporary suspension real permanent. Now get out of my office.
Let's go.
경찰로서의 의무를 지지 않는다는 것에 분노하던 찰나 이전에 사고를 예지했던 여성이 그에게 전화를 걸어왔죠.
This is Elaine Wentworth. I know what's been happening.
Happening? What's happening?
Last night, something came from the stars. Something more terrible than death itself.
그녀에게는 정말로 특별한 능력이 있었으며 이전에 몸을 벌떡 일으켰던 이유도 바로 그 괴생명체의 등장 때문이었습니다.
And nobody will listen to me. I'm terribly sorry about your coworker. I think you should believe me. You should believe that I can help you.
Well, you can help me by staying out of my hair.
물론 이것이 사실이라고 하더라도 정직 처분을 받은 그가 할 수 있는 것은 없었기에 호감이 있었던 동료 형사와 행복한 시간을 즐길 뿐이었죠.
Can I ask you a kind of personal question?
Sure, yeah, what is it?
How close are you to solving these murders?
I thought you were going to ask me if it was my first time.
You can level with me. I mean, we work for the same boss.
Boss? My boss is the street. Who's yours?
Why, you're a hard guy, aren't you?
물론 그 역시 이번에 해괴한 사건에 대해서 마음을 쓰고 있었으며 이대로 가만히 있을 수는 없다고 생각했습니다.
It looks like a giant roach egg. Come on, let's go.
Where are we going?
Come on, we're going out. I got an idea. I got a friend that works as a researcher in a bug control lab. I'm going to take his spy and let him take a look at it. See what he thinks.
연구에 관련해서는 문외한이었기에 이에 대한 전문가를 찾아가 본다면 혹시나 실마리를 발견할지도 모른다는 판단이었죠.
I want you to take a look at this thing.
What have we here?
I don't know. What do you think?
A giant roach egg?
It would have to be an extraordinarily large member of the Vatella order.
Hit it harder.
이는 단단한 내구력 덕분에 평범한 장비로는 부술 수조차 없었으며 아예 드릴로 구멍을 뚫어내야 했습니다.
Doc looks like it's letting off a little hot air.
I don't know if this was such a good idea.
Jesus Christ, what the hell is that?
놀랍게도 그 안에서는 도저히 현존하는 생명체라고 부르기 어려울 정도의 괴물이 튀어나왔죠.
What was it?
I don't know.
It's dead.
I don't know. Call an ambulance.
I can't move.
Well, you snap out of it and call an ambulance. This guy's gonna die. Now do it.
Hold it, boy. How's he doing?
I wouldn't push him.
Doc, can you hear me? Listen, what kind of gas did you use in the terrarium?
It's a special combination.
Do you have any more of it?
Jars.
그 돌이 심상치 않은 물체라는 사실이 밝혀지면서 이를 가져간 제리의 신변에도 위험이 닥쳤습니다.
Come on. Fasten your seatbelt.
Jerry, you here?
역시나 혼자 있었던 제리는 이 괴생명체를 감당할 수 없었으며 처참한 모습으로 죽어 있었죠.
Oh my God! Ian!
더욱 끔찍한 것은 이 괴물이 사람을 죽일 뿐만 아니라 살점까지 모두 파먹을 정도로 간악하다는 것이었습니다.
What are you gonna do?
I'm going monster hunting.
맞서야 할 적이 누구인지를 파악한 맥클레모어는 물러서기는커녕 동료에 대한 복수를 해내겠다는 의지를 다지죠. 다만 워낙에 신출귀몰했으며 개체수도 한두 개가 아니었기에 그가 홀로 모두를 퇴치할 수 있을지 의문이었습니다.
Where is it?
He's in the kitchen.
We borrow the bat.
힘겹게 사람들의 주위에 있던 괴생명체를 죽여나가던 와중에 다시 일레인이 그에게 전화를 걸어왔죠.
I'm sorry about your friend. I really am. I tried to warn him, but he wouldn't listen to me. Now listen, I'll help you find that thing that killed your friend if you let me.
Talk to me!
Seek out and destroy the parent creature.
결국 그녀의 말에 따르면 그 괴물들의 모체가 되는 존재를 처치해야만 끔찍한 재앙을 끝낼 수 있다는 것이었습니다.
Look for it in a very dark place.
How do I kill it?
Killing is your business, sir, not mine.
Anything else?
Be careful.
No shit.
What are you doing? What about me?
You want a gun?
No.
의지를 굳힌 그는 쌓아두었던 무기를 챙기면서 본격적으로 기이한 개체를 처치하기 위해 나서는데
There's some shells in that backgammon case right there.
Are you gonna do this alone?
No, I've got you, right?
Don't you think we should ask for a little backup firepower?
What do you want me to do? We'll call and say send down a couple of squad cars. We've got a monster from outer space cornered. Besides, I've got a score to settle.
Revenge motive. I keep forgetting. Tough and gutsy, huh? Invade Angola?
Look, let's just go to Arkham Place. And don't ask me why.
Ian!
What?
Ever since I run you off that crash site, you've been snooping around.
아무리 그가 정직 처분을 받았다고는 하지만 사태를 전혀 모르는 사람에게 본인들의 운명을 맡길 수는 없었죠.
Excuse me?
Okay, hop in. Get in!
I came in a little while ago. Macklemore killed it. Whatever it is.
Send a car over to his house and keep trying that radio.
Yes, sir.
상황을 어느 정도 파악한 로버트슨도 급하게 연락을 취해보는데 그런 와중에도 잔인한 생물병기는 악행을 멈출 생각이 없었습니다. 모체는 사실상 돌에 안에 있던 모든 개체들을 합친 정도의 크기였기에 감당하기가 쉽지 않아 보였죠.
Call Robertson. Have him get some backup down here.
I thought you wanted to do this alone.
I do. But somebody's got to come down and clean up the mess, because I'm going to make a big one.
샘본을 홀로 냅둔 이후 그는 잔뜩 긴장한 상태로 사악한 존재를 향해서 터벅터벅 걸어갔습니다. 갑자기 나타난 괴물이 온몸에서 뿜어낸 촉수를 통해 그를 휘감았기에 도저히 반격할 시간조차 없었죠. 간신히 촉수를 잘라낸 그는 정면으로 맞서는 것이 불가능하다고 판단하며 일단 후퇴를 선택합니다.
How are we ever gonna find our way out of here?
I don't know. It's like a maze.
다만 괴생명체는 끝까지 그들을 추적했고 목숨을 걸고서 연구실에서 가져온 기묘한 액체를 입안에 집어넣었는데 그가 당황하던 와중에 로버트슨까지 이에 합류했으며 모두가 가진 화력을 모조리 쏟아붓기 시작했죠. 결국 용감한 경찰들의 활약으로 괴생명체를 물리치고 인류를 위기에서 구해내며 영화는 끝이 납니다.
Which way to Robertson? You two okay?
정체를 알 수 없는 생물병기의 공포에 맞서 인류를 지키려는 경찰들의 처절한 사투를 그린 호러 스릴러 영화 딥스페이스였습니다.